Well, hello, beautiful people. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you are here with me, and I definitely appreciate that. To all the new people stopping by my channel, hi, you guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on that bell notification so you're notified each time I post a video. And to all of my returning subscribers, hey, y'all. And so, thanks so much, you guys, for tuning in for another episode of Just Living Life. If you want to see what all we get into on this vlog on today, then definitely keep on watching.
Get out the way, who got a watch, who got the time, I'm racing the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm tryna get these ends, building empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business, no time for stress over bullshit. You think success is an option?
Alright, you guys, I'm back. Makeup is done. Hold on. I have all kinds of stuff on my camera. 1 second. Okay, much better. And so I am back, you guys. Makeup is done. Lashes on. And I'm getting ready to do not Nora's hair. Carmen's hair. Her hair is currently in a pineapple, and we don't have time for that on this day. It's been like that for a few, excuse me, for a few days. And so we're getting ready to do that. And I'm just going to pin my hair up before a little bit while I do her hair, because I can't, it's hot. It's so hot in the house, but the kids are cold and I'm hot. And so, yeah, gonna go ahead and pin this up. And then I already have our clothes ironed and ready to go ironed. Just gotta do Carmen's hair and Nora's hair. My hair is gonna go down. Leah's hair is already braided. Leah is still asleep, which she'll probably be asleep until about 12, child. It's about 10:30. So yeah. So
I want, I'ma make you wait for it on my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it on my time. Order in the court. Me first, you sure on my time. Been off yours, boss bitches to the floor. Ooh, it's my time. Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. Nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love, I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Hey, can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love.
All done. Yeah. You look so pretty. Thus far for potty training, and I think this is gonna be it. So we got Nora some more pull-ups, we got her some little snacks. They're buy one buy three get one free. Got her potty seat, a brush, and then we got some Clorox urine remover because somebody's going potty everywhere. And then we also got this candy jar. So yeah, so I can put that on the counter. So yeah, so that is what we're looking like. This is probably gonna be about $100. We're gonna head to the register. 135.
Yeah.
What kind of inflation? 130.
I need something like that.
Come on, mommy.
Who's that?
I don't know where Daddy is.
Oh, he's back.
Come on. Look, we about to get an artificial tree. What you said, Carmen?
I said go straight and then turn. It is cold. Which one is cold? You heard? Be careful.
This is a pretty one right here. That's 115. Mm-hmm. These trees are
We have some tall branch. Yep, tall branch. I don't think we have to go. I see that is perfect, but you're on the top.
Oh, excuse us. All right, y'all. So we are out here. I'm trying to find a Christmas tree, and these trees are so high. 135, 160, 125 for these little small trees. We're about to go get an artificial one. Cause ain't no way. Cause who this for? Find a box. Carmen, did you want to change your ornament or do you want to keep it? So you could pick out your
Keep it.
You want to keep it? These are the ones they have.
I have with this. But what's the point? Because we're gonna always build a gingerbread house.
All right, y'all. It is the next day, and literally yesterday I was exhausted from us doing all the shopping and trying to find a tree. Y'all, we decided to get this artificial tree because the live trees from the place where we traditionally get our trees from, y'all, it was so high. Like, insanely high. And so usually we spend about $100, no more than 120 on a tree. The tree that we typically would get ranges about that price range. But y'all, now they're like $200. Like, absolutely not. And so we ended up getting the artificial tree from Walmart. Joe gets bragging rights this year for picking the tree since it's an artificial tree. This tree is a 7.5 foot pre-lit artificial tree. I'm not gonna say that I'm in love with it, but I can't see myself getting a tree for $200 for us to throw it away. So I'm just looking at this tree as an investment purchase because we can use that somewhere else in the house. So yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox this and get it all decorated.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a cut, I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that broke mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, catch a break, better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth, I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a cut, I put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that. Jump on my back, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl
Y'all
her
for sure remind me next year that no matter how much a live tree costs, that we will get it. Y'all, fluffing out this artificial tree, let me tell you something. It took a bit amount of time. Like, literally I was exhausted. And I ended up taking a break and we went to my mom and dad's house and just chilled over there with them and my sister and my brother. But yeah, y'all, putting this tree together was for the birds. And so as you can see, I'm doing all the decor and all of those things. And y'all, everything is turning out amazing. I do like how the decor looks, but y'all, I think it will look so much better with a live tree. So next year, we're definitely going to have to do that. But yeah, y'all, other than that, that's it for this video, you guys. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell notification so you never miss an upload, you guys. And until next time, you guys, I will see you on the next one and talk to you soon. Bye.